Today, we'll review how to repair or replace a tine bar on Vermeer rotary rakes, along with how to store them on the rake when not in use. Before starting, be sure to refer to your operator's manual for detailed instructions and safety messages. To kick things off, let's talk about how to remove an individual tine bar from the rotor. Follow the shutdown procedure outlined in your manual. Raise and lock the rotor barrier assembly. Remove the outer bar section. This can be done by locating and removing the tine arm retaining pin in the center of the tine arm. Simply remove the pin and slide out the outer bar section. Next, let's take a look at what to do with a tine bar when not in use. Remove the outer tine bar section from the working position and place it in the storage bracket for transport. Remember to install the retaining pin to prevent the arm from falling out. The storage bracket is located at the rear of the machine for the RR270C rotary rakes and at the front of the machine for the RR140S rotary rakes. When storing tine bars for an extended period, ensure the arm shafts are coated with fresh grease to prevent corrosion. When you're ready to reinstall the outer tine bar, align it with the inner bar and secure it using the retaining pin. Remember to ensure that the retaining pin's hinge is positioned in the direction of arm rotation to prevent possible opening of the pin. Finally, let's review how to replace damaged or worn out tines. Use a 19mm wrench or socket to remove the lock nut and slide the tine retaining bolt out of the tine clamp and arm. Once complete, simply slide the rake tine off the end of the tine arm. To reinstall the tines, slide the new tine section onto the tine arm, ensuring that the orientation matches the other tines. Align the center of the tine with the bolt hole in the tine arm, and slide the tine retaining bolt through the center of the tine clamp and tine arm. Secure with the lock nut, ensuring that the innermost coils of the tines are properly seated in the tine clamp grooves. Lastly, fully lower and lock the rotor barrier assembly prior to operating the rake. Use these steps to keep you in the field with Vermeer rotary rakes. If you have further questions on how to set or adjust the RR140S, RR270C, or other Vermeer hay tools, contact your local Vermeer dealer or visit vermeer.com.